nonsense. Let them come out and say that since they become a man of God, that they have never touched somebody's wife or one girl walking with them. Let's see. I am the one that said it.
Okay. Okay. Ebuka said he's a virgin. But I tell you, in the name of everything holy, I'm not judging him, but because of the challenge and rascality, I can tell you for 3 reasons that Ebuka is not virgin. There's nothing virginity about him. And for you who are being confused by it, Moa Kuria with the Oge room I stand on my dignity. Nzodokuna bo more in Ebuka Obi virgin, and I will prove it. I'm ready to defend it to any level because Oborona virginity is a big thing. It's not a big thing. Number one, virginity is not a ticket for successful breakthrough ministry. And this so-called name that Ebuka also pay the price. We're going to see a success in Ebuka. You have gotten nowhere yet. The church has been successfully navigating heavy, expenses and projects. And with many priests in our single-handedly, hospitals, schools, in your diocese. And with so many people that ran their ministries and became very great while living comfortably with their wife. People like Paul and Becky and Enche. You see how many branches they have. If you see how beautiful they live with their life. Even Suleiman, I don't know why I love Suleiman. As people attack him and drag him as up and down. Look at how he is living with the wife. So, needs to be keep virginity. These 2 pieces of copper and a nyegi inaru no pala. Irube hon on America. Oyedepo, our virgin, we were the richest pastor and still coordinated. Yana munye ebiri zocho muha. Ndo boga no sigo nwanyị. You not claim virginity. In Agwana about virginity. Now, after that, I'm going to accept your virginity challenge, and I will come with evidence that you are not a virgin. Oh, Muabu Father, wo keke wo kemodonyo po. Oh, Muabu Father, wo bejoy jele monso. So, I borrow evidence just by physical. It's not. I'm coming to you by revelation, by physical, by psychology, by everything. Neither atano okay mani neji ezegi were nekere yo mazi. In atano okay. And the number of people in our sinner battle office exposed to their bra. As I am a minister of God. Anybody from Gama, how serious I am. But at any parish, the first announcement I made is any woman or whatsoever coming or being sent, if they will kill you, go to wherever I have worked. I was a student of Marist Comprehensive Academy Uturu for 6 years, from 1998 till 2004. Before I joined the senior seminary, I've done apostolic work in so many places. As a priest, I've worked in more than 5 different parishes in Port Harcourt, in Aba, the Nobibo in Aba. I've worked in Lagos with you. You can go and verify. I have been to so many countries. In the United States, I've been to so many, states. In Dallas, I've lived with even some people that were working for me that you took and made admin in your own. Listen, I lived with their house. I've lived with many people who are Zionites. I've slept in their houses. Go and verify. We don't come out to make noise about virginity because it's a gift. The fundamental reason why I tell you that you are not a virgin, and the virginity counts as nothing with reference to ministry. And that is the truth I will tell everybody. The most successful ministers are married people, and among the lay people, is that the addiction to sexuality is a sign of obsession. Only you're only obsessed about sex, and you abstain from it for the first 100 days for the first time, and he started making the noise about virginity. It all started in 2021 or 2022. You weren't talking like this all this while. So, e.g. virginity, now I confuse them mad, I believe. Before the living God, Ebuka, the manifestation we see is a symptom of sexual carelessness and sexual lawlessness. Because only the sexually coordinated can never be so promiscuously talking about sex, and be very descriptive in talking with the opposite sex in public. If you can be so sexual in public, so in private. I'm not sent to monitor you, but I can, by revelation that God revealed to me, tell you 10 different women that you have dealt with. I can tell you, the unpriestly, but I have to, because of the assignment given to me. But I stand by it, by every veracity. So you could virginity guy, because I went on a Lagos with you. So Oburia, the next video I will accept your challenge. Then I prove to you that what you are talking about yourself and virginity is a blatant lie. So Oburia, you do the wrong.